This foraging math can boost your business in 3 minutes. What exactly are Lévy jumps? Think of rare, deliberate long-distance moves, mixed into lots of short steps, powerful in sparse worlds. In math, it's the Lévy flight. Step lengths follow a power law, hediquiti dar. Way in mapper wijkstar, adi mutsenetzer, hedi eid in dedar, renar rayard. Big jumps are rare, not impossible, defined in probability by Paul Lévy, 1937, who brought it to animal foraging. In the 1990s, evidence appeared in Ocean Wanderers, fewer small steps, and a few big leaps. Result: higher search efficiency in sparse patches. Viswanathan et al., 1996, Viswanathan et al., 1999. Later, high-resolution tracking strengthened the case. Humphreys et al., 2010. Power law steps reduce revisiting. They spread you out. They boost chances of discovering new patches. In patchy worlds, Lévy beats a simple random walk. Multiple analyses report efficiency gains in sparse environments. Viswanathan, 1999. Humphreys, 2010. Adaptation or emergent behavior. Some say it evolved. Efficient strategies win. Reynolds, 2009. Sims et al., 2012. Others, patterns emerge from sensing and constraints. Humphreys, 2010. Humphreys, 2010. Lévy searching finds patches and complements optimal foraging theory. Humans? Yep, our movement and search can look Lévy-like. Phone data show heavy tails. Brockman et al., 2006. When your market is sparse, new categories, cold audiences, unknown prospects, in een bijzonder power, am ban bedoord spinster on dangerkober. Copy the pattern. Run many short probes, quick A/B ads, micro landing pages, brief discovery calls. Insert Lévy jumps, periodic bold explorations. Enter a new channel. Pitch a far market client. Test a different pricing tier. Launch a moonshot offer. Use a power law cadence. For every 20 local tests, do one big jump. If revisitation is high, you need a jump. Set stop rules. After end no signal tries, jump to a new segment. Personal, job search or networking. Do local steps. Reach out to close contacts. Apply to near-fit roles. Schedule weekly big jumps. DM a senior. Attend cross-industry. Publish standout work. Track discovery. If it stalls, jump farther. This week, map your search space. Label sparse or dense. If sparse, 20-1-1 rhythm. Automate locals. Calendar jumps. Proof, first. Mathematically grounded. Biologically observed. Practically powerful.